Introducing the world's most rugged phone, Honor even says that this phone is the first ever phone to be certified with a 5-star all-angle drop resistance, whatever that means. They are so confident that Honor even sent us a few pieces of wood to literally simulate different drop tests. And of course, we'll be doing that in this video as well. Now, I'm about 180 centimeters tall in a good day, and let's just try dropping the phone at one of the corners of the phone first and see what happens.
According to Honor's official data, it's 1.5 meter. So this is 1.5, I think. Let's say I'm playing game, okay?
Okay.
I have no idea how's the phone since we are going to film that drop test after doing this video. Anyway, that is not really a big drop, and I specifically want to drop it at its corner for maximum impact. That is because this phone has a curved edge AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and a higher than usual 2662 by 1220 pixels in resolution. The display is real good in terms of color accuracy, clocking in at 99% for both sRGB and DCI-P3 color gamuts at around 1000 nits maximum brightness too. The Honor X9b, its toughness has increased multiple times, and it also has something called Honor Ultra Bounce technology, which in its summary just means that there's some cushion and dampener inside the phone just to soften the impact when you drop it on the floor. And it also has 365 days of front and back crack protection for the Honor X9b. So yeah, if it breaks within that 1 year period, then they'll just send you a replacement for free. The performance of this phone is also rather good. It's one of the few phones that comes with the new Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, and while Honor doesn't have any FPS meter built into its software, I can definitely tell you that we are getting more than 30 FPS while playing Genshin Impact at the lowest graphical settings. We didn't do a full gaming test for this phone because our schedule was all messed up, but I can guarantee you that this is also a very power efficient chipset. Because in our battery life test, this phone can last for about 14 hours and 44 minutes in our standardized battery life test with that 5800 mAh battery. As for the charging time though, it does come with its own proprietary 30-watt charger, and as what I've said before, I don't really like proprietary fast charging standards. With its fast charger, it can finish charging at around 77 minutes, but if I plug in my own USB PD charger, then it charges to 100% in about 103 minutes. It's not bad, honestly. The cameras on this phone isn't spectacular, and there's actually 2 cameras here that are usable, and the camera bump is just unnecessarily big and a huge waste of space. I mean, the main camera is okay. It took some okay looking pictures overall, though the dynamic range and overall colors look a little bit weird. The ultra wide angle camera, on the other hand, is quite atrocious. Just have a look here. As for the software of this phone, it's pretty basic. It comes with Honor's Magic OS 7.2, and it's pretty much the same software all these years, and I think it's an okay piece of software. It's better than MIUI, of course. And we can also talk a little bit of its design. This phone is available in 3 different colors: Sunrise Orange, Midnight Black, and also Titanium Silver. Only this Sunrise Orange color has this leatherette back, and I think it feels very nice to the touch. It's just that, once again, the camera bump is way too big for no reason, and I'll just call this ugly. So at the end of the day, this phone is for those who consistently drop their phone or worry that it will break.
Wow, the wood got dented.
Maybe someone who's clumsy or just want a secondary phone that's super rugged and also very affordable at the same time, then the Honor X9b is a fantastic choice. I mean, for just 1,499 ringgit, there is no other phone that can withstand a fraction of the force that this phone had gone through. Now, I know that this isn't a standard video that we usually do in our phone reviews, but hey, this isn't a standard phone either, so why just not do something unusual, right? So, thanks for watching, everyone. I'm gonna continue smashing this phone and see what happens, because Honor Malaysia did tell us that if I manage to break it, then it's all good content, right? Because they want us to actually smash this phone. If it breaks, they just send me another one. Yeah, Also, this phone is IP53 rated if not mistaken, so you can definitely splash some water on this phone, but don't dunk it in water.